Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the show cursor on the HiPaint application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Open a project and tap to the 3 point on the upper right corner of the screen and find the sketch settings section, and here tap to the white circle next to the cursor option and just click that and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.